Let's talk a little bit about luxury real estate. All right, so how do you define luxury real estate? Normally, you define luxury real estate as the top 10% of your local market that you're working. So, or let's say the city that you're working. So I work Scottsdale, Arizona, and I work Carlsbad, California. And so when I pull the top 10%, going after expireds or going after FSBOs, or if I'm going to do a mail-in campaign because I want luxury homes, that's who I'm talking to. Okay, some of the lower priced homes can have luxury amenities, but the top 10% are really defined as the luxury market. So you can have the uber luxury market, which is 25 million plus and all of that, or maybe it's coastal if it's in California, maybe it's in Silverleaf, and that is a uber luxury market in the Scottsdale marketplace. So let's just say, for round numbers, in both of these markets, the average price point's 1.2 to 1.3 million for the average home sale there. So if you do the top 10%, you're gonna go all the way to 25 or $30 million. Some cases, we're starting to see some really high end stuff in both of those markets that are above that price point, especially in Scottsdale. But nevertheless, at the end of the day, it's the top 10%. So let's talk about 7 different qualities that define a luxury home. And a luxury home has a prime location, right? There's not a lot of luxury homes that are in the slums. There's not a lot of luxury homes that are in an average neighborhood. Although sometimes there are, but for the most part, there's not. It better have a great view. It better have massive square footage. But at the end of the day, is that luxury buyer that's moving in from out of town really going to be wanting to be in that neighborhood? And there's a financial obsolescence there, and typically they don't. But I have seen it in both of those markets. So typically the higher price point homes could be, a million to 25 or $50 million or something for a uber luxury type home. And that's another prime example of defining, what that looks like on a luxury home. Greater square footage. So square footage on an average home in a lot of these markets, it's probably 3,000 square feet, 3,500 square feet. So a luxury home normally is probably on a square footage side of 4,000 plus is what I'm accustomed to. You get 6, 7, 8,000, and that's a luxury home. I know I sold one $3.5 million here in San Diego for 3.5, and it was about 8,000 square feet. So that's one of the qualities that you can identify that is a luxury home. They use premium materials. So it's not just basic. You walk into a home and it's basic all over the place. They're importing things from Italy. They're using, Wolf appliances and just the top of the line materials. And then the craftsmanship. Now, luxury homes, they're not using the regular tradesmen that regular, cookie cutter homes have. They're using higher end tradesmen, higher end materials. Also, a lot of luxury homes, believe it or not, have a unique design. There's not a lot of, just basic floor plans. They're putting some, pizzazz on it, and they're building something that's special, that's unique to the property, whether it's on a unique lot, and they're going to build this specific type of home and put something on there that makes it stand out. So a lot of times they'll do that. They'll do 20-foot ceilings versus 9-foot ceilings. Just give you an example. Let's see here. They have a lot of amenities. So they're going to have a hot tub outside, and they're going to have a jacuzzi tub in a master. They're going to have a heated pool, and it's going to have maybe fire and decorations around it, and they put $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 into the pool. That's one way that you can identify, okay, is this really a luxury home? Is some of the outdoor amenities. And then the prestige of that neighborhood, the prestige of that area that luxury home is in. I always go back to location, and then the prestige of the amenities that are available for the community and for that specific type of home. We've sold with wine cellars, we've sold with just beautiful cabinetry that, just cabinetry is $100,000. So think about that as you start thinking luxury. It's a good idea to start viewing all of those homes and that are on the marketplace that you want to go see when the broker opens happen, and potentially when you get one of those clients that wants to go see them. All right, hope this helps you.